ini CLT, ang sama sendiri. Aku mikir Laity dan Laity dan Laity kembali kedua dan sama CLT pun kerap berlaku. Kalau baik kalau political party pun CLT ini. Widano ini Pandangan Chief Guest Dr. Vincent Agartala Khwlaikha CMT Advisor Father Rogno Khwlaikha CMT John Tangman President Secretary all office bearers they Hamayam Sunday Masa Khwlaikha Tripura Hastini Government Minister Macha Vikas Department Hamayam Joto Government MLS of National Takudi Musul some of them are very close friend of mine Norman Hamayam Goban Kogani Green, Goban Kogani, Nor Pay, Nor the Monotangi, Women. There's some of money as a remind. Awani Kogani, Anzana, photo doing around 90. Well, I have been around Sramka. Very standard who present Tiprasa some form in side of Laity. CLT Professor John Development ini Khwlaikha Konglam and note like that. Note mother Kapishi was note like I did not know the banner was under 51,000 Roman Catholic believers of Tripura. Very good information. Honestly, I want to know how many believers are there in Tripura. Christian community, no, Zora Suru. Very organized, Sunday open, but Northeast Kabangma Zaga, Beri, Meghalaya, all other states, Roman Catholic is like Protestant to me, Shankar Kabang. But I am so happy to learn that 51,000 believers are there in Tripura and 24 parishes like that. So, 2,000 about 2,000 plus believers in Bali, Kaisa there is like that. Very good move. Not only for spiritual learning, but also society, Paris by connect like very simple way. And I am not here to criticize or to talk the disadvantages of different congregations. What I came to understand some time back, Roman Catholic Church or verse or chapter or izagnai Sara Prithvi Granino Ekta Sando Joto Zagano a chapter a verse or izagnai. So disciplined. Omahayat Tripura Roman Catholic Church Joshua Omiko chapter 21, 22 for Izagnai Meghalaya Aro Corinthian for Izagnai worldwide Roman Catholic for in Tamo preaching night it is same for that particular Sunday. Only Rosa made it. And to be part of it today, I am really thankful to you all. So once we find out the Kaisa CLT, Roman Catholic, Kaisa Porza Koro the Badak Nisha. Because Roman Catholic is also divided into two groups. One is Kaisa Porza and the other one is Kaisa Porza. So I was briefed that this CLT is the motto for Kaiser Porza. No problem. Still they are Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic Church is Kaiser Badak by Zantile or Borom Yamarza. It really encourages us. So we are social activists, political activists. Political activists we are also two types. One is from the government, the other group is opposing the government. When you are opposing the government, I have some of my experiences in life. I am into political service or political activity in the last 21 years. When you are not in the power, sometimes your well-known people in the market, they try to avoid you. Oh, I can't transfer. But when you are in the power, you want to avoid some people, but they still come to you. So, all challenging world in this challenging situation, CLT has taken a strong initiative to invite both the groups, and this is really commendable. We should give them a big hand. Sorkar by Sorkar, the popcorn borrow Hamza Lagatui Manka. Remarkable. I would request CLT, the Professor Johor Devona, Poroki Kok Khanau. I were naive Khanaya. You may not see me that when I listen to someone, does not mean that I have to look at his face or look at her face and then listen. I was listening very carefully. He was telling, quoting us saying, so-called indigenous animals. No, we are not so-called indigenous animals. We are called indigenous animals, not so-called. So this indigenous animal. No one can snatch that tag from us that we are indigenous. And CLT, not so normal, I represent Tiprasa. Tiprasa is a nationalist political party. We talk for our government. In front of the camera, behind the camera, in the mass gallery, in the private meeting, everywhere we talk only for our government. Dr. Manekotamo, Tiprasa. Dr. Vincent Darno, he might not be remembering me for so long. Before I joined Nagaro, he was scientist in Shillong. I was engineering graduate and also was working in one of the private firms in Shillong. I used to go to his office. I still remember he used to come with a nice jacket, not blazer or coat. With jacket he used to come, room heater was there, he used to offer me a cup of tea. And also, I must tell the brothers and sisters present in the house, who any Zomto certificate attestation Nagaro before I joined, and the attestation was done by him only. And he also said that all my best wishes will be with you, but it was in the year 1996. Thereafter, I did not meet Dr. Vincent, but I used to inquire about him. I came to know his son also became IS officer and somewhere posted in maybe in Shillong or in Nagaland. He became vice chancellor. Everything I used to take this talk from him. Any auspicious occasion, we are all son of the soil. We are all Tiprasa. Tiprasa does not mean deportment. Tiprasa does not mean real. Tiprasa does not mean Darnam or Halan. All are Tiprasa. And Tripura Muchini Hal. So CNTO, Jevabe Thansak like Joto Tiprasaro or Samutalayo. We Tipra Motha also. We work as a Thansa, so Joto Tiprasa. Most spirit, Chinibishing, Jodi Tongi Tongrai. Today we are happy, although he is not from our party. Honorable Minister is also here. Why is he here today? Because he is a Tiprasa. Not just the Tiprasa, MLNO, Montrino, Nino, being a member from BJP, still being a Tiprasa, he is with us in the dais. Mono Thansai, greatness and mono, penetrate mark like nature. Lord Jesus Christ will definitely bless us. Church of bless Kainai, Church the Father of bless Kainai. And I am sure some of us are still out of the 51,000 people. But Lord definitely will bless us also if we listen to Him. Three Thangmani Porebo, Kaisha opportunity Domini Kanal, Sarvantino Sasawano, Sahel, Mozorno, Christianity of Converti Apano, Three Thangmo Porebo, Kawasha Silaki, Nangyang the Tongai. God is so merciful, so lovely God. All God Tikhani, Jodono, Zen blessing Manlai, Tiprasa or Manlai, Kok Sanadi, Inipom get, Kok Saget Madrasa or Kadal de Malay, Professor John Deborma by Ayu Kok Masalay. So, in your room, Dr. Ashish Togo is sitting right behind there and giving a smile. He is also a very good friend of mine. Onek shomoy momo salaimani, bandrani, and Bongal Kongro Wakpan Paigan Tangai, Team Chokor Khwlaikha I still remember. Doctor, I have not forgotten all those days. Although I am into public service, I am working for the people, but I still remember those days. All our friends, Balai Hambai, Lomimo, CAT, they were strong too. Sini bagi nor prayer, and some of the Gaham Sam, Balai.